welcome. It's 9:32 right now, and we're back at the microwave for another Do Not Microwave. This is the second out of the series. What do we got in here today? Let's find out right now. There's a bowl. Was it? Cereal! And right now, I'm gonna microwave it for 30 seconds. Here we go. I tried to do a bread one, but it didn't work. It didn't go as well as I wanted it to do, because the bread just, yeah, it was awful. It just got warm. That's all it was. So that doesn't help. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. What? Are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? Right now. Are you kidding me, cereal? Oh. Are you serious? Didn't even do anything. Jeez. That was awful. Sorry if you heard that in the background. That was my mom speaking. Oh my God. Why aren't these working today? Ooh, look. It could be like a fidget spinner. Oh my God. Oh my God. Why? But why do they do this? It tastes just like regular cereal, but warm. It's not that warm anymore. Okay. I'll be back to see if we could do anything else. Okay, so my mom told me to microwave it for a minute. 1. Sorry about the mess. Turn on. Oh, I need to close it first. Here we go. If this doesn't do anything, then I'm going to try something different in this video. Because, yeah, I'm mad right now because it didn't work. Because I think if this doesn't work, then I'm just going to microwave noodles instead and try that out. Okay. That's how much time we have left. Wow. This video's awful so far. Jeez, I tried bread, did not work. Tried cereal for 30 seconds, did not work. And my mom told me to do it for a minute. Because if this works, I'll be happy. Ooh, I see a little steam. What the freak? Why? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, you cereal? This is stupid. Oh my God. Okay, let's go on to the noodles. Okay, welcome back. Well, yeah, that didn't work, so here we go, the next one. Noodles. So, to start off, my mom told me to start it off by doing 30 seconds. Okay, let's just sit here. If this doesn't do anything, then this is going to be the worst video probably that I've ever made. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Work. What? What? Oh my God. Why? What is wrong with this video today? This is making me mad. It stayed the same. Oh my God, what should I do? I'll find something to do in a second. Okay, let's do it for a minute. As my mom requested. Close. 10? Oh. Okay. I don't know why I did that. Okay. We already know what it's gonna look like. It's gonna be the same. Yes, we know. There. Finally. I swear, if this does not work, I'm gonna be mad. This is kind of disappointing. Kids, do not try this at home. I'm a kid, and yeah, don't worry. I'm just trying to test this out because my mother approved that I could do it. Because this is something that I'm trying out. But with the Mike and Ike's, it was a success. It worked. It was crazy looking. And now we've tried bread, this, and cereal. I tried to make a video of the bread and didn't. Are you kidding me? Wait. Oh my God, it actually kind of worked. Come on. Here, I'll see you in a second. Okay. If you don't notice this, but look. Ow. It's hot. Ow. Oh, shoot. Here, let me grab 2 cereals. Let me put it under. No. Ah! I don't know how to do this, but there are spots on some of them. But some there's not. Like, there's not spots on these ones over here, but there is over here. Okay, at least that's a little better. Oh my God, this is not even focusing good. Here, let me put some cereal in there. Ow! Jeez, that bowl's hot. Okay, let's try it again. Okay. Let's try this again. My mom requested 30 seconds. Oh my God. Why? What is wrong with this? Oh, I'm mad. Jeez. I wonder what happens if you microwave. It's up there. Sorry if you hear my mom talk. I was just telling her something. She was asking for where my bird's bowl was. Yeah.
Little bird.
That's cool. Okay. I think I'm going to end this video right now. So thank you for watching this. Thank you for watching this awful video. Bye.